Market watchers, mark September 15th on your calendars, because that's when EchoStar will host a meeting at World Space Business Week in Paris at 10 a.m. Central European Summertime to discuss the company's new strategic focus. The meeting, titled Pioneering What's Next, EchoStar's Vision and Strategy, will cover the company's transformative journey and efforts to resolve liquidity challenges and establish a robust financial foundation. CEO Hamid Akhavan will lead the presentation, exploring core business areas and outlining new opportunities made possible by recent transactions, as well as how the company plans to leverage recent transactions to drive growth and stability. A question and answer session will follow the presentation. The meeting will be live-streamed on EchoStar's Investor Relations website, with a replay available the next day. Also, on September 15th, Ocean Power Technologies will release its fiscal 2026 first quarter earnings after the market closes. OPTT has been expanding its presence in the Middle East, particularly in the UAE, through partnerships and strategic hires. Recently, Ocean Power Technologies shipped 2 WAMV unmanned surface vehicles to RIMA International Group, a UAE-based defense company, to highlight their expeditionary capabilities and autonomous ocean operations. It's also entered into a master services agreement with Unique Group, a UAE-headquartered global leader in subsea technologies and offshore engineering, to formalize and expand their collaboration. This agreement positions Unique Group as OPT's execution partner for all non-defense WAMV-USV projects in the UAE, enabling Ocean Power Technologies to accelerate WAMV deployments and convert active interest into revenue. Meanwhile, PureCylce successfully completed large-scale trials of its Pure5 resin in biaxially oriented polypropylene (BOPP) film, producing 16,000 meters of nearly 1 meter wide film at various thicknesses. The trials, conducted by Bruckner Maschinenbau GmbH in Germany, demonstrated that the Pure5 resin performed similarly to virgin polypropylene on multiple tests. The resin used in the trials contained 50% post-consumer recycled content. 2 types of film were produced: a 25-micron multi-layer film for food packaging and a thicker 50-micron film for label applications. Both film types showed promising results, with samples now being shared with potential customers. PureCylce CEO Dustin Olson expressed enthusiasm about the trial results, stating that this breakthrough opens a new application segment for the company and demonstrates the potential for introducing PCR content into BOP film. The successful trials mark a significant step forward in the industry, according to Dr. Marcus Koppers, head of Bruckner's Technology Center, who noted that PureCylce's dissolution recycling process can transform post-consumer waste into a high-quality recyclate. BOPP film is widely used in food packaging, labeling, and adhesive tape applications due to its transparency, moisture, and chemical resistance properties. Next, Jumia Technologies has appointed Hassanain Hiraji, founder and CEO of Axian Telecom, to its supervisory board, which is said to potentially strengthening governance and strategic direction. This move follows Axian Telecom's acquisition of a 9.97% stake in Jumia, fueling speculation about a possible takeover. Equally as interesting, Jumia CEO Francis Dufay attributes the company's recent success partly to President Donald Trump's trade war, which has increased access to Chinese goods. What's more, a focus on core markets, cost-cutting measures, and partnerships have been outlined as key drivers of potential growth in the future. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.